will make a brief presentation on the benefits of the WhiteBIT crypto exchange. WhiteBIT is one of the largest European cryptocurrency exchanges. What is really surprising about this broker is that they possess European exchange and custody licenses. WhiteBIT meets the KYC and AML requirements. That means that you will have reliable protection of assets and their securities. You can also make passive income from your money even if you don't intend to invest in certain time periods. Earn up to 30% of passive income on Bitcoin, Ethereum and USDT. These interest rates are impressive compared to other brokers. They have also low trade rates up to 0.1%. You can trade more than 450 trading pairs, and their referral program offers 40% revenue from referral trading commissions. If you want protected funds and earn more passive income, you can open an account via the referral link in the comment section below. Hello and welcome back to this new puzzle. Today we are going to look at Bitcoin. After yesterday's movements, after the CPI data, Bitcoin increased a lot. As we see, we are going to look at also the technical perspective. On the coin market cap, we can see that Bitcoin is actually 24.4 approximately. On the hourly price is decreased 0.29%, so it's not big at all. We can see on the 24-hour the change was very fast. On Ethereum it was also bigger as well. We are going to look at also the Ethereum analysis, what is happening on the chart. Why this 10% is so big, because it's very big increase, as we can see. And also we can see during the 7 days 6.59 and 50.7, so very good price increase in Ethereum, almost double compared to Bitcoin. And what is also important, I'm going to look at the historical data, and we can see a price change from August 9 to August 10. So we can see that it was increased from 42 to 57, so we have almost $15 billion increase on the volume, on the price volume here, so it was very nice. We can see that also on August 8 it was approximately the same. So if I'm going to look at on the August 8 right now, let's go back on the charts, and here we have the candle for August 8. In this way I'm using this just to evaluate the volume compared to the price, and we can see that the actual price when it was in August 8 approximately, these are not exact calculations, when the price was 24.4, 24.2, the volume was 455, here we are 457, so this is showing that the volume is where it should be right now. It's very good, and also the increase on these 2 points is better as well. Let's go and let's look at what is happening on the other side of the chart, so the technical perspective that we are looking at. Since many days we are looking for Bitcoin to rise. These movements that price keeps developing by making higher highs and higher lows are still holding the price up very well, so in my opinion this is a very nice price development. This is a bullish sign, to be clear. So the part that we are focused right now is this part of the structure. This is something that I have shared also on the analysis, on the yesterday analysis on Bitcoin, and here are our expectations. So during yesterday analysis, price was close to 24, as we can see, 22.9, sorry, 23, let's say, and after pressing the button we can see that the first price was reached. So this was our first target, 24,650. So it was a perfect touch, and I'll go on to explain why this is happening and what may happen after this. So let's look at our trading scenario right now. Let's build it up again and look at the movement. So I'm not going to pay close attention to this right now. We are on the A wave of the movement. Yesterday price was developing in this area. This was the new update for this trade. Look at how beautiful this pattern was created here. And here we had the next part. Yesterday price was stopped on our support level. It was looking very interesting, and the increase in the volume that we actually checked here, it comes in line with the previous top of the price. So it comes in line with this part and with this part as well. So if you are going to check 30th of July, we are going to see also something interesting, I guess. It was 452. So compared with the same price, we are 5 billion more today in the same price area. So this is showing very good that the volume is actually growing on Bitcoin despite the price that is here. What is actually happening is that price reached our target, the first target that we had, and the other targets that we need to focus are the rounded targets. I would like to keep the one that I shared, 26 and 27 are the next ones. So let's look at on the chart. 26, it corresponds to the upper part of the chart. This is also a chart that was updated many times. It was updated also during some days. Look at how the price was developed from that moment. We saw the retest of the zone, price increased, it came up, down again, and it reached the target. So all of these targets didn't change at all since this idea on August 5. This is the date where it was published. So what we can expect right now? Let's get back on our charts. 26 is a reasonable target. I really like it. 27 is for those of you that need to be a bit more conservative because we are not anticipating any fast movement for the moment. And we are in two scenarios. The first one is this triangle here. Actually the price can make any retest, volume is not slowing down in Bitcoin, and we can see the continuation of the movement. This is what I am expecting. The next problem that we actually may face here, and this is something that we cannot rule out, is the problem with the top formation. So this potential double top, or let's say a resistance from above, needs to be broken in order to clear the road for more upside. So this is a must right now. We need to see the price to bounce above this point, above 24.5, and after that our bullish movement will be safe. For the moment we just need to expect everything, so from correction also to the move down, so everything is expected. However, considering the volume that the price is actually holding very strong, we may see only this type of movement that I'm actually drawing right now. So this is the maximum that I am expecting. However, we are not market makers and we need to anticipate everything, so just we can't rule out the bearish scenarios all the time. The next one, we are going to look at Ethereum. This is looking great as well. Let's go and let's check the historical data. We don't want to have the price on the higher part of the structure and on the other hand the market cap to be smaller. And look at the volume that we are having during the day. So this was the highest volume for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, as we can see. So on the actual price where it is right now, we are having a higher high on the 4-hour structure. It's a very high point. We see that we have approximately $18 billion more when it was on August 9. August 9 was here, So look at August 9. From this moment, so price increased a lot. Let's take it a bit conservative movement. So from this point, from this top, we are $18 billion. So this is looking very interesting. Let's see what may happen. On the other hand, on the technical perspective, price accumulated at this part. This was the first accumulation that happened. After that, we saw the bullish movement. This was the correction. Here we had another pattern, because this was a pattern on itself as well. Here we had another pattern formation that we were discussing these days, and one of the scenarios that I showed also on the analysis was also this scenario. The first one was related something at this point, and the second one was here. So price is above this pattern. We can see any small movement before it keeps rising again. So overall, we are in line with Ethereum analysis that I have shared during these days. This is the Ethereum analysis. You can look at how the price is developing here. Let's make it bigger, and let's see that the price is above the pattern. This is a daily chart, so it will the price already began the bullish movement, as we can see, so it should increase more during this period of time. Let's look at for any target where you can take profits. For the moment, the targets that we actually have here are 2000 and 2100. These are the fastest targets in Ethereum. This is how it looks like. So after any small consolidation, Ethereum should increase value again. So thank you for watching this analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys enjoyed this analysis. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the like button for more future contents. Bye bye.